Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have a verified account. And if you do not possess a verified account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the deposit section, which is at the home menu. So click on this deposit icon. Once you've selected the deposit icon, select or search for the USDT and select the Tether US. Once you've selected it, simply scroll down till you find the Tron network. So once you found Tron, which is the TRC20, select the TRC20 network, which is here. And once you've selected the TRC20, all you need to do now is take note of the wallet address and the network you're sending it on. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.